Ziyathatha zambukeli ngihamba lo.
Ayisibuyi after steering asingabo siyakubo danko.
Sho mfethu mfethu what can you say about iFirst Born yakho ayisho ukuthi ngumntana wakho mfethu Rintsang uyiralange mfethu.
Yo Steve. Obvious ndoda. The reason why ngisho ni yabona ubaby mama kaze nchithile yabo kana drama. Yabona abafazi laba injula nabo like ingababambi yabo ina ngikazi ngizwe even amahemu maybe thola lenomuntu yeah something like that yabona umuntu create like honest yini like bele ndoda la yabo umshado mina uqambela manga
Alezo mfethu zambukeli uthi yena sokungumshado but wena mfethu what can you say about indaba yefanayo zikwahamba njani lapha na mfethu sebechawo malume.
Yo, I'm not from my side ni efanayo zangicavu kwabayanda ngoba mina most of the time nawusegroupini yabo isijidanya sitshila mina nyenze zami nawo bayenze zabo so la ngicavu kwabayani mara bathi balwa noyitmini yabo bamshaya stuff but angazi ukuthi lambo kwabayani so angeke ngi-explain this by
yeah
kwavele wenzeka into is fast and yeah so angicavu kwabayani mina but nami ngizithola ngi-include yabo indaba ezincane but yeah obviously ngathi papta bakhona nami zoba khona yabo even ngathunanga next indaba enjalo
Alezo bafethu zetha siyamkhaza simzweni bafethu but uyawufa mfethu kulama rumors asekhilete amahemhem athi kulomfazi kwami chemele ekhanda awufa bese kuvanja
kawaye ndoda indaba yakudala leyana wawuyenza kanje
but asikho lapha bafethu alright isimshe singam-expose kodwa bamaziyo bafethu limited but we still going on bafethu ziyathatha so mfethu ibaphi abogeli abakufuna even wena usungubaba right now mfethu what can you say about laba abogeli abakufuna wena usungubaba do they think ukuthi wena sule yi-experience too much more than bona for the fact of ukuthi ningathi subafundisa Rintsang
yeah yabona in terms of ubaba ni nabe ngisho ukuthi ngidogeli bazorelaxa manje bobona umjida sefuna ukuba ubaba yabo mara ndoda like baba babhaya yanthola baba babhaya ndoda indaba ezincane manje indawo yogeli seems like yabachaza umuntu le ubaba but
so bafethu zethatha bafethu sorry for cutting out the video but we still going on bafethu so mfethu kwenzakalani kumapapta like iziphi abantu izinto abangaziboniyo.
No, like kumapapta ne there's a lot okuyenzakalayo bafethu yabo kunento ezenzakalayo ezibaya especially from ivideo leya yasifuna ukwazi nthola ndoda like saba popular nyali yabo mara in a bad way ndoda ngoba manje abanye abantu basibeka ngathi sisifebe and stuff mara asikho abantu abanjalo and abanye abantu kunzima ukuthi besithembe manje ngezinto esazishoyo mara into ezazenzakala it's just that so wadlula yabo abanye abantu basadawo yanthola mara thina sesiphumile la yanthola yeah
Alezo bafethu but we still going on so when mfethu what can you say about indaba ekathethi lontshebe at the same time uSavage wadlela untshebe umfazi kanjani
yo yabona ne untshebe from my side untshebe ndoda ebengekho ipapta yanthola yena bekumele efike la ebuza ukuthi machita khambani nofika like wathenga story entene angayazi yabo fana na Facebook yabo ngeze example fana nabafana labo bathi ama Irish ntho bona is fine ba trenda anyali bana masimbi ngwane mara nabo bathenga istory ntho la befika bamba lezinyama esazibambala indaba cavu kuvayanda yabo uthi wena afwa thenga istory wathola no prudence ukuthi kanjani ngicavu ukuthi amajita ajuthana kanjani but Nontshebe ngiyamtshela from the first day ukuthi eKids yabona lo mntwana lekho grand for wena wavuma yena uthola ikheshi kanjani angazi wathola simithisile yabo like kwaba into leyani ukuthi no Savage angazi ukuthi uNtshebe no Savage bazwana ngani yabo bashawuthedi ngestina beba u2 yabo
ngoba esithenjini sika Teddy
yeah so kunjalo iKids wamithisa uPrudence anthola bese sokunjalo bese semithile kanjalo uPrudence uKids samtshela thina from first day eKids yabo lengane asingeyakho gawo amamansambe lana angazi ukuthi uPrudence uthando lwakhe ulenza kanjani umjido wakhe yabo kafunanga ukusilalela from day 1 namanje yabona nhlile kanje uKids ukhona la eGolden Room ngiyamtshela Kids phuma la namanje uKids usasupport umntwana loyo namanje vele usamsupport Kids lo mntwana but umntwana ngokaThedi like ndoda sibambile ama meeting amabhayi nawe uyacaba
Alias Bafetu, we still going on Bafetu. So what can you say about abogedi asebedliwa izisquad ezibhaya ezumphakathi uthi like ugcine sexabana lezi izisquad
Nuta yabona uGeli
ukuthi uGeli uzozalana kwaPapta ibanjwe ekwa lese esinye squad ibanjwe esinye futhi ebanjwe esinye ebanjwe esinye ebanjwe cine futhi sokuyiconfusion emajideni. What can you say about that?
Yabona uGeli ndoda shafile basiqabanisa uGeli vele sisquad esibhanye nginyali yabo kuya ngokuthi ngubani yabona thina uGeli ndoda mabeza la ayeniqambela amanga mina especially uGeli thina sketch isathatha ukuthi sibuye bananifani kube isession yabo even omunye uGeli stills engambhebhanga la endlini ingeza la umjido wakhe yacabanga bambhebhile for some reason even singambhebhangi ke sibuza ukuthi uva yini uGeli wami uzothi bambhebhile sigcine sixabana nathi almost ndoda wonke umuntu eJozi la ngumjida ndoxabana nathi and lento liyangitha ndoda sifanzima ndoda phandle ndoda like siyagijima sifanzima especially yip yabona abonke babefuza ochila kubone that thing uGeli beni anyali ne uGeli beni babefuza ochila abanye sibadla uGeli babo ndoda yabona abonke ne asibadli mara kube ngathi sibadlile just that uchile ba kwaPapta yabona into enjalo yeah
Alezo babukeli mbukeli, but we still going on mbukeli. We still want to know on ukuthi like Mfethu, what can you say about your relationship to the public, your current relationship?
Mina ngifuna ukusho into esibhaya
mina mara ligreen
yabona mina nabantu ngigreen mina nabo mara vele abanye bikho green nami ndoda almost 80% vele ngibeka kabi ndoda strategy vele ngihambi green ndoda ngiqambela amanga bishala majida ndoda ngiphathisa tough time ndoda.
But before Mfethu you go far, what can you say about this statement? But we saw uGeli wakho bem-accuse of ukuthi uyi-stepmother loyo owa-uploada naye and how true like ukuthi ngumama wengane, like what can you say, what is it, just to clear the rumors ebantwini?
Hayi ndoda obvious ubaby mama nguye kawo nguye baby mama kingabantu babe ngacabi yabo besuke bubona thu bebhinyachitha ugelwa ngobaby mama like ugelwa vele nguye baby mama ndoda nawe uyacava inkingabantu babe ngacabi yabo yeah.
Alezo Bafetu mbukeli, but we still going on Bafetu. So what can you say as iPapta Mfethu, what's coming up Mfethu?
Ndo sinento spies kuyayo Bafethu like sazohosta anthola sazoyenza into espaya ndoda and abantu abanomoni yabona mina isifiso sami ukuthi befundele yithi gawo ngoba nami ngiyaba ku level yalabo bantu abanomoni but umuntu mayitrenda gawo mina ayimdlela umoni yabo it's just that angikhuluma ukuthi njani namasimo ngiyabhekela kuye inkopi bese istyle ngisenze sibe top yabo but abantu abayiboni lento bacanga ukuthi maybe yabo babona ku Facebook ngakutshela something babhaya abantwana namasimba mara it's just that abasebenzisa ingqondo and stuff yabo sidlena nomona into ezincane and ayikho into esidlelana ngayo ndoda like nesinengisana ndoda mara mina ngicava twice kwade isibazi isonto ngicava like mina ne angazi mara ugeli beni mani bandlile shafile sabe sihlene angikhoda mina angikhoda abafethu angikho ebafazini beni trust me angikho noma ngubani ugeli wakho keshili angikho kuwe mina just that kuyabuka into eyenzakeleyo nje kumele yenzakele and if ungathola something ne mina ugeli ba umbiza ugeli womuntu mina nto yabo mangubiza kusuke kuyisession ndoda enjoy vibe bese uyekini mase sihlene shuthi into vele ehlelwe ngoba uNkulunkulu yanthola yeah ngayibeka kanjalo ka
Aleza bafethu sayivala bafethu zetsa zembukeni bafethu impop test bafethu opportunity dulini waphuma isilence lepera bafethu what can you say what's the word of the day mfethu
word of the day since nginayo for grand yabona special ngabachita yabo asithanda nini bafethu siyakhini bafethu sithanda nini kanjani
azatsa zembukeni bafethu stay tuned you might never know kusasa kuyabe kunguwe khona lapho